Dinosaurs, they've captured human imagination for centuries. These giant reptiles once dominated Earth for an astonishing 165 million years, roaming vast continents filled with lush forests, swamps, and deserts. From terrifying predators to gentle giants, their diversity was staggering. But what if I told you that dinosaurs are not entirely extinct? That creatures you see every day, birds, are the living descendants of dinosaurs? It may sound surprising, but modern science confirms this incredible fact. Birds are direct descendants of small, feathered, meat-eating dinosaurs called theropods, including famous species like Velociraptor. Imagine the world of the late Cretaceous period, about 70 million years ago. The planet was warmer, sea levels were higher, and giant dinosaurs roamed the landscape. Among them were swift, agile hunters covered in feathers, which served multiple purposes: warmth, display, and even aiding balance while running or climbing. Birds inherited these feathers, evolved to fly, and adapted over millions of years to fill countless ecological niches, from hummingbirds hovering near flowers to majestic condors soaring on thermal currents. But dinosaurs were more than just birds and feathers. The sheer variety among them is astounding. Some, like the Argentinosaurus, reached lengths of up to 35 meters, over 100 feet, making it one of the largest land animals ever to exist. Its massive pillar-like legs supported its enormous weight as it grazed on treetops. On the other hand, species like Microraptor were no bigger than a crow but had four wings and could glide between trees, showcasing an early form of flight. This incredible range, from tiny feathered hunters to massive sauropods, illustrates the evolutionary success of dinosaurs. One of the most iconic is Tyrannosaurus rex. This giant predator measured up to 12 meters long and weighed about 9 tons. Its skull alone was over 1.5 meters long, packed with large serrated teeth designed to crush bone. T-Rex had one of the strongest bite forces ever measured, estimated at 35,000 newtons, or roughly 6 to 8 tons. But T-Rex wasn't just a brute. It had keen senses, including excellent vision, a strong sense of smell, and possibly good hearing. Some scientists suggest it might have been a scavenger as well as an active predator. Regardless, it was an apex predator, dominating its ecosystem. Dinosaurs lived through massive changes on Earth. Continents drifted apart, creating new seas and mountain ranges. Climate fluctuated, sometimes tropical, sometimes icy. Yet dinosaurs thrived and adapted for over 160 million years, surviving extinction events that wiped out many other creatures. Humans, by comparison, have only been around for about 200,000 years. If we imagine Earth's history as a 24-hour day, dinosaurs appeared around 9 p.m. and went extinct around 11:40 p.m., meaning they ruled for nearly the entire evening. The word dinosaur was coined in 1842 by Richard Owen, a British paleontologist. Combining the Greek dinos, terrible, and sauros, in a lizard, it literally means terrible lizard. Though some dinosaurs fit this terrifying image, many were gentle herbivores. For example, Triceratops had a large bony frill and 3 horns, probably used for the defense and social interactions. Stegosaurus had massive bony plates along its back and a spiked tail used for protection. Diplodocus was one of the longest dinosaurs, with a neck stretching over 6 meters, allowing it to reach high vegetation. Most dinosaurs were herbivores, spending their days feeding on ferns, cycads, and conifers. the dominant plants before flowering plants evolved. These plant eaters played essential roles in their ecosystems, shaping vegetation and providing food for carnivores. Reproduction among dinosaurs was fascinating. Like modern birds and reptiles, dinosaurs laid eggs. Paleontologists have found fossilized nests containing eggs and even embryos. Some species appear to have cared for their young, guarding nests, brooding eggs, and possibly teaching hatchlings to find food. This parental care challenges the stereotype of dinosaurs as cold, indifferent reptiles, instead showing complex behaviors similar to birds and mammals. But the age of dinosaurs ended abruptly about 66 million years ago. A massive asteroid, approximately 10 kilometers wide, slammed into the Earth near what is now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. The impact unleashed firestorms, earthquakes, tsunamis, and sent huge amounts of dust into the atmosphere. This dust blocked sunlight, disrupting photosynthesis and collapsing food chains. Many plant species died, followed by the herbivorous dinosaurs and then the carnivores. This catastrophic event, known as the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction, wiped out about 75% of all species, including most dinosaurs. However, some small feathered dinosaurs survived this extinction. Over millions of years, these survivors evolved into the birds we see today. Dinosaurs,